Welcome to the class, gentlemen. In my previous class, we had covered the duties of customer sales agents. We had talked about selling. Selling what? Selling product. And what is a product? Product is a thing produced by labor or effort. In economics and commerce, products belong to broader categories of good. In marketing, a product is anything that can be offered to a market that might easily satisfy a want or the need. In retailing, products are called merchandise and they again are there to satisfy a need. Therefore, we say product is one which is there to objectives and satisfaction of a need. Similarly, even insurance policy is a product that has been creating a contract. Products can be classified as a tangible product or an intangible product. Tangible product is that can be perceived by touch, building, vehicle, gadget, clothing. Intangible product is a product that can only be perceived indirectly, such as insurance policy, and the intangible products can further be classified into virtual digital goods that are virtually located on a computer and accessible to the conventional type like JPG and MP3 files. And it can be into rare transfer goods that may exist when the presentations element of conventional types are viewed. Anyway, let's not go that into details, and we will now go on to the products and their impact on retailing and on the strategy. Now, types of products can be low value product. There are comparative values, mind you. Soap is lower value than a dining table, which is a medium value. Air conditioner can be a high value product. Car can be a higher value product. In the same product series, some may have less value, some may have medium value, somebody may have higher value. What is the significance of these? Significance is the time you spend on making a purchase decision. On low value product, you may not take much time. Whereas on a high value product, you may take time. Frequency of purchase. You may purchase a fridge every 3 to 5 years. You may purchase a house once in lifetime. You may purchase air conditioner every 2 years. You may purchase a dress every 6 months. So again, frequency of purchase has a bearing on the purchase decision, amount of diligence done by the customers, and in turn depends upon the strategy to be followed by the seller or the salesperson. Then again, the products can be divided after sales service. Some products require after sales service, like car, like refrigerators, which don't require after sales service. They are soap, it can be hair oil. They are not dependent upon the producer, whereas after sales service goods are dependent upon the producer. What is the impact of the products? Why are we talking about the products? Because products affect a store. If you have fish and butter in a store, then you require deep freezes, you require air conditioning. Supposing you are going to have only cars there, then you require a different kind of showrooms. You require a different kind of storage pattern, different kind of display. So, depending upon the product, the store lays is affected. Depending upon the product, display is different. Operations. For fresh and perishable items, you need to get them daily. You ensure by evening they are finished. You got to have a better backup system. For a product like car, you may only have one car and you ask the person to wait for the other variant at a later date. So the operation wise also a product has a bearing on the total store strategy. Training. Well, if the product are low value, you don't require much training. But high value products, fashion products, lifestyle products, you require a different types of training. Training which can create confidence among the people, different kinds of pressure groups, clientele. If the clientele is general, then your decor of the store is general. If it is fashion good, high value fashion good, your stores must be exclusive. They must get the feeling of being up to the elan, create elan for the customer. Shopping experience. What kind of shopping experience are you looking at creating for the customers? Are you looking at a very sophisticated, high-end dream picture which you want to put? But then only you can sell a high-priced items. So again, shopping experience again is very expensive, important on the product. So this is the impact of the product on the total strategy of the company. Then for a product, you have different types of layout. Different types of layout. If you have got a furniture, there is a certain set of layout. If you got kitchen merchandise, then there is a different type of layout. Then in case which is also layout depends upon the display factor and the ease of the movement of the customers and the sales staff. Then visual merchandisers. How do you create an aura in this thing? For perishable goods, the aura requirements are entirely different. Whereas the products are not of differentiation, but if you are selling products which are different, has differentiation, then you require a very extensive merchandising. Differentiation means between 2-3 kinds of soaps, there is not much of a differentiation. But there is a differentiation, product differentiation created by marketing people for high-end product, because that's what allows you to sell the product. Next comes is what are the types of products which are normally available in a store. It can be food. Food requires refrigeration. Apparel requires trial rooms, fitting rooms. Beverage may require a tasting facility, may require a storage facility. Footwear will require a place where a person can take shoe measurements, where the shoe measurements can be taken, persons wear the shoes and move around. Again, in footwear, you require various kinds of shapes, various kinds of sizes to be put. Consumer durables. If you are selling refrigeration, fridge, your staff must know all the details. Consumer durable layout is entirely different. You require a constant source of supply to show the products well. Appliances, if you are showing kitchen appliances, you are showing other form of appliances, then the again layout is different. If you have stationery, you require racks. If you have kitchen utensils, you need to display them in a different manner. If you have furniture, you require again a different kind of layout, different kind of visuals in a shop. Furnishing, you require vertical furnishings. For sports court, can be tennis, can be golf, can be athletics, health and beauty items. It require a lot of mirrors where a person can see. Personal care again, you need to have a kind of a display which attracts people to buy them. Jewelry, you require security. Time watches, which you require again a vertical display and both horizontal display. So different type of products have the different kinds of problems or solution associated to it that you have to understand. Now, what are the effect of products on retail operations? Now, on the total operation, retail operation starts from storage. They start from ambience. How do you store a product? What are your reordering period? Where do you store the product? And what are the products on the shelf? Ambience. Ambience is the general feeling of in a shopping place. How well the place is lit up, how places the staff. Is the staff well trained? What is the quality of the staff? And what are the training requirements of staff? For technical products, you require a staff which has a technical base, which should be able to give you an idea that when I'm looking for something in this frequency range, or I'm looking for something which has got woofer, tweeter, what is the difference between woofer, tweeter, microphone, you should be able to tell them. So in each of these cases, you require a different kind of environment, different kind of training thing. So I hope I have been able to put forth to you the effect of a product into the retail operations. As and when you are looking for a job, you must try to get what are the products available there, because that will give you an idea that what kind of job expectations, layout expectations, duty expectations will be there. Doubts? See my video again at www.learn-through-web.com. Thank you.